Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be example number 5 from section 1 of chapter 10, dealing with how to go for the zoom in for the final kill. So without further ado, let us start our analysis. First of all, it will be red's turn to move. Red would have 2 chariots, 1 horse, 1 cannon, full guard, 1 pawn. Black would have similar material. He would have 1 cannon, 1 horse, 2 chariots, 1 pawn, a full guard, and an extra pawn are already commanding this file. So it will be red's turn to move. The black chariot was already threatening the cannon. Now the first move by red will be of paramount importance. Now this would be a golden opportunity to zoom in for the kill. So the correct move would be to play h8 plus 9. Now moving h8 plus 7 would be a bad idea because although red will now threaten to capture the chariot and protect the cannon, black will counter very aggressively by threatening to capture the chariot. Red would retreat, and then black would defend his very important rook file in this manner. Both colors would be attacking, and red would have missed the opportunity to win. So by offering the horse as sacrifice, red intends to go for the elbow horse checkmate. Now this would force black to capture the horse in this manner. He cannot capture the horse in this manner, otherwise it will be an immediate checkmate. So red will capture the horse, and the following moves. This is quite a commonly used tactic. Red will immediately traverse his chariot, forming a battery, threatening to checkmate by capturing the advisor. Black can only move his king out, and red will now capture one advisor. At this point in time, black cannot capture the chariot, otherwise it will be a check followed by a checkmate. So the only way, or only a safe move for black would be to play k4 plus 1. Note that now the chariots are now facing each other. Red would further his attack with r4 equals to 6, delivering a check. Now a5 plus 4 would be usually played. Black would still lose if he played r1 equals to 4, because red would now use the chariot the cannon to deliver a check, forcing the chariot away. If he captured, check, and red would capture the chariot, basically ensuring a win. Now a few more moves have been generated by my computer program, capturing the pawn, check, red threatens to capture, checkmate. So this is a possible kill, but that is why r4 equals 1 is correct. Now if he played r6, red will continue r6 minus 3, delivering a check, forcing the chariot back. a5 plus 4 will not be a viable option because red will now deliver a discovered check, threatening to checkmate. Red can only retreat his advisor, delivering red will continue to check, and then retreat his chariot over here. Because the elephant had gotten in the way of the black king, red will be prepared to play r4 equals to 6 for the kill. After some sacrifice, by retreating, this chariot will now capture the advisor, and there will be no way that black can resolve this checkmate. So a5 plus 4 will not be viable. If black used the chariot, he will lose it immediately. And now black will lose 2 chariots, and it will be a sure win for red. A few more moves have been added, which are not found in the book. Check. Capturing the chariot. Check. A very good move, threatening to capture capturing the advisor directly with aid from the king. Checkmate. So a5 plus 4 is played. Red will continue his attack with r4 minus 1, delivering a check, blocking the elephants, etc. A very nice intermediate move, c5 equals to 6, forcing the advisor down. If black played k4 plus 5, red would immediately traverse his chariot to this file. The elephants have been blocked by this chariot, and there will be no way for black to resolve this kill. For example, if you retreated, this would be immediate checkmate. Now these are very commonly used tactical combinations, so please do remember them if you're a beginner. Black retreats the advisor, red threatens to gain material, and red offers black offers a trade of material. Black gladly accepts, deliver a check, forcing the king in. If he captured, black will lose another chariot, and it would also be a winning position for red. So basically it's a done deal. Capturing, if black king moved in, red could always go back for the attack with his central cannon. So it would be impossible for black to resolve red's attack at this point in time. Please note that the moves given in this video have been by me and with the aid of some computer program for analysis. There were not so many variations that were discussed in the book itself. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up for this video. And for beginners, if you would like to support my work, please do. I highly recommend a book for beginners that I've written and published last year. Thank you, and have a great weekend ahead.